Hello and welcome. My name's Todd McLeod, and I'm faculty in computer science at California State University, Fresno, and I'm also faculty at Fresno City College, where, among other classes, I teach web programming and advanced web programming using the Go programming language. Teaching individuals of all ability levels, from freshmen who are just starting out with programming to graduate students who are working on their master's degree in computer science, I have a lot of experience helping people learn how to use the Go programming language. This course right here is designed for individuals of all ability levels. So if you're just starting out with programming, this course is great for you. And if you're a seasoned, experienced programmer, this course can also be really valuable to you. When I first started learning Go and using the Go programming language, there weren't many resources which were out there. There were no video trainings online. And there were very few books. I was even reading books that were written in Chinese and then translated to English. So one of the things which I can offer you if you're a seasoned programmer, which will be of value to you, is I'm going to give you, first of all, a code base which is going to get you up and running with this language. So you'll have access to a lot of code samples that show you how to use the different aspects of this language. I'm also going to give you all of the things you need to know to get up and running with this language, like how do you configure your machine, what are all the nuances of this language, and then also how do you, which editor should I use, which IDE, and how do I set up the IDE. So I'm going to save you a lot of time just getting going with the language. Things that I wish that somebody had been able to show me when I was getting started, I'm going to be able to show those to you and save you all of the time that I wasted and lost and spent investing and figuring this stuff out. So I'll give you code samples, I'll get you up and running, and then I'm also going to give you a lot of resources. And so there's a ton of books out there, and if you've been in the programming game very long, you know that you could spend a lot of money on books, and you buy a book and it's not quite the right one. So I'm going to show you which books are the best books in the market, at least according to my subjective opinion. And then also just give you, the resources, like here are the websites which are really good. So I'm going to introduce you to the Go programming language culture and the different resources which are valuable out there, and give you code samples which are going to help you get going with the language and help you configure your machine and get your editor up and running. So all of that stuff I can offer to you if you're a seasoned, experienced programmer. If you're a brand new beginner, I'm going to show you everything you need to program. And programming is a wonderful thing, a wonderful endeavor to take on. It's creative, and it also gives you incredible job opportunities. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, if you learn how to program and you learn how to do it well, that is going to open up a ton of doors for you professionally. So for beginners, the value you'll get out of this course is I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to be able to program well. From the ground up, I'm going to show you how computers work, circuits, coding schemes, the entire thing. And if you're a seasoned programmer, you could skip over maybe some of those introductory videos and just get to the stuff that's more interesting. So Go is a great language. We're going to talk about why it's such a fantastic choice for a programming language today. And I haven't ever been as excited about a programming language as I am about Go. And this is going to be a great course. I'm going to get you up and running with the Go programming language. And at the end of this course, you will know how to program well in Go. So welcome. I'm glad you're here. And I look forward to working with you to helping you learn the Go programming language. And I'm excited to teach you why this is such a great language. I really love it. So I'm glad you're here, and let's get started.